Hi guys! So this tiny box contains Mijello Golden Mission watercolors, or at least that is what it says on the website where I ordered it. Well, this is another AliExpress order and I bought a pastel set from Mijello, which you can see here. There is one thing I was sad when I opened it. Well, as you can see, they all have, almost all have some cracks in them. So I was not so sure if this is really legitimate, if it's a real Mijello set. Well, I mean, you never know when you order stuff like that. These are poured per hand, so I don't know, it could be anything, but you get also a nice swatch card. This is and it's written Mijello. You have all the color numbers and color names. I'm not sure what A, B, C means. Maybe price range when you buy them separately. I'm not sure. I paid this set around 12 or 13 euros. It took it maybe 1 month to arrive, maybe even 2 months, I'm not sure right now. You order the stuff on AliExpress and then you wait forever. Sometimes they arrive really so fast, so it depends and you never know. So I bought this set because I wanted to try it out. I was not sure if it is going to be a real one, so it is always a gamble. And also it's a gamble if you are ever going to get them, because it did happen that I ordered some stuff and it never arrived, so that also happens. But this one has arrived, so I will do the swatch and we will see how they are. So here are the watercolors. I did the swatch on the Canson XL watercolor paper where I do all the swatches. I could have done it here, maybe I will do it at some time, but right now I wanted to do it here. The only difference to this swatch card which I noticed is that these two colors were changed in place. So this one on the swatch is actually a little bit before and this one is after, so that is one thing. Yeah, other than that, the swatch really corresponds. This one corresponds to the colors that I've put inside. And I've checked one website, you can find it in the description. I compared the colors and it seems, I mean, for me they look almost the same. So from that I would say that these colors are real, so that they are original Mijello Mission Gold. So from the colors that I saw in that chart, they really looked the same. I do not have a Mijello tube or pen, so I cannot really compare them, but from the swatches that I saw on the internet, these look almost the same. So I hope and think that they are the same ones. So as you can see, you get a lot of nice colors. The only two ones are these ones, which they look pretty similar, but this one has a little bit more blue inside, this one has more green, but they are almost the same. But a lot of nice colors here. So what I also did, so I took a lilac color. I took now this one from Yellow, I have one from White Nights, and I have Holbein, but Holbein is in the tube. So I wanted to see how they look, and as you can see, they are all different. So the Mijello uses PR 122, PV6 and PV15, while White Nights use PV19 and the Holbein used PV23. So that is a difference. The White Nights uses only two pigments, and that can actually, I think I can see that because it uses PV6, that is a white, and PV19, and this one looks pretty, how to say it, not opaque. Yeah, it looks opaque. Yeah, that is actually the right word. It looks opaque, like when you add white to it. So that is definitely, it can be seen here. The Holbein, it looks a little bit strange. It did not dry evenly here. So it is a little bit strange here, but it has PR 122, this one also PR 122, PV6, PV6, but this one uses PV15 and this one uses PV23. Mijello says that this one has 5 stars for the light fastness, from 5 stars, while Holbein says it has only 2 stars from 3 stars. So according to this one should have a better light fastness. I did not check that, so I cannot say it. The dispersion from the color, so I've wetted the paper and then I've put the color down. These two, how they react, looks pretty similar, but Mijello moves much longer. You see this comparing to this one here, but the Holbein is more even. So the Holbein moved and then it stopped. I can see a little bit of the lilac here color, just a tiny bit on the corner, while here, yeah, now that I see it, actually I do not have anything on the corners. The paper was wet until here. Also in this case I do not have anything. The corners are pretty clean, while with the Holbein it did color, I would pretty say this part, yeah, it was wet until here, only this part remained white. Everything here has some tint of color, and as you can see, all different colors. So if you want to buy a lilac from Mijello and you think you do not need it because you have white nice lilac, well, completely different color. So these two are a bit similar, but again different colors. They do use different pigments, so that is something I wanted to show you. But beside that, I'm actually happy with this set. Yeah, I have it now. I will do some comparison probably in the future with some other colors, so to see if I actually really want to buy single pens or tubes from Mijello. I like how this one looks like, the one that I tried, the lilac. I like this color. I like this one. It looks so nice and vibrant. And yeah, beside that, I have to see, maybe I have doubles. In my Holbein set, I definitely have more. So I have the lavender, I have I think some of these horizon blue or some other color, I'm not sure. So Jean Brilliant, I think it was this one. Yes, this is Jean Brilliant number 2. I actually bought that one. Yep, here it is. Actually, we can do it one more test just pretty fast to see how this Jean Brilliant looks like. So here I have now the Jean Brilliant number 2 from Holbein. Okay, and let's also try, so that would be number 2. Okay, and this one is now number, it is different. This is Mijello now. Interessant. You know what I find interesting is that, so this is Mijello, this is Holbein. I want to try the Mijello Jean Brilliant number 1, because I think number 1 is similar to the number 2 from Holbein. Okay, let's do it here, or maybe I can just continue. Yeah, I was right. I was so right. Okay, that is an interesting thing, because I also have Jean Brilliant. Where is it? Number 1 from Holbein. Let's see how that one is. Okay, now this one definitely looks different. So here it is. I'm gonna put it up here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so here just I think that, so the Jean Brilliant 2 from Holbein and Jean Brilliant 1 from Mijello are similar, which is like, really, this one is just a little bit stronger, but it goes in the same direction, while the Jean Brilliant 2 from Mijello is different, completely different than the one from Holbein, and the Jean Brilliant one from Holbein is completely different than this one. This only thing is that these two look pretty similar. Yeah, I think that would be it. So if you want to try these Mijello Mission pastel set colors, yeah, I think this set is a nice one to try out. It was not so expensive, otherwise you will pay more to get single colors. And yeah, I think if you just want to have a little bit of the color and try it out, this is a nice way. Yeah, one more thing, if someone of you if someone of you guys has Mijello Mission Gold and in tubes, and you poured it in pans, do they crack like this? That is the only thing I would actually like to know, if they look like this when they dry. So it would be interesting. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye.